If you're using CapCut on your PC and tired of seeing that logo watermark on your exported videos, don't worry. I've got a simple trick that works with the new version of CapCut. And yes, no software, no patch, no cracks, just one smart little tweak. Let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open up CapCut on your PC. Now, click on Import and select any video from your files. Once it's imported, drag the video onto the timeline below. Perfect. Now go ahead and click on Export and save the video somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Once it's exported, open that video and you'll see that CapCut watermark logo stuck there. Super annoying, right? Alright, now let's remove that watermark for good. Start by opening your File Explorer and then go to C drive. That's your main system drive. From here, click on the Users folder and then open the folder with your PC username. Now, you should see a folder called App Data, but if you don't see it, no worries. Here's how to fix that. At the top of File Explorer, click on the three-dot icon, then select Options. In the new window, go to the View tab and under Hidden Files and Folders, choose Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then hit Apply and OK. Now the App Data folder should appear. Open App Data folder, then go into Local and scroll until you find the CapCut folder. Inside the CapCut folder, open the folder called Apps Balsi. Then open the folder Latest version of CapCut. It'll usually look something like this. Next, go into the Resources Scouters folder, scroll down and look for a folder named Watermark. Once you find it, go ahead and delete it. Yep, just right-click and delete it. Now, reopen CapCut. Export the same video again, just like we did before. And there you go. This time, your video will not have the CapCut logo. To confirm, and yep, it's gone, just like magic. And that's it. A super simple way to remove the CapCut watermark in the newest PC version without any sketchy downloads. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.